My name is Derek.
And my name is Calvin.
And we're the Intergalactic Brothers! We love learning about space and science.
We hope that you will learn with us.
Please like and subscribe! Today we're gonna learn all about Jupiter! It's my favorite planet! Yay!
It's my third favorite planet.
What's your favorite planet?
Saturn.
Oh.
Then we're gonna learn 6 fun facts about Jupiter.
Don't forget about bonus facts.
Boonga, boonga, boonga.
Then we're gonna turn Jupiter into the size of our sun and see what would happen to our solar system. Maybe, the 2 stars would collide, or maybe the planets and other objects might get thrown out, or maybe some planets might even crash to any of those stars.
What do you think will happen?
Let's get started with the facts. Fact number 1. Jupiter have 79 moons. That's a lot of moons.
Fact number 2. A year on Jupiter is 12 Earth years.
Yeah, that's a really long time. That means it takes Jupiter to go around the sun, which takes 12 Earth years. That means maybe if you're 6 years old, you'll turn like 18 by the time Jupiter completed its orbit.
Yeah, I'm 6.
Whoa, Jupiter is like bolting around. Fact number 3. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter can fit all the other planets inside. Crazy!
It can fit 1,300 Earths inside. Fact number 4. Jupiter is the heaviest planet in the solar system. Even though it's made out of gas, it's 317 times heavier than Earth.
And Earth is made out of rocks. Fact number 5. A day on Jupiter is 9 hours and 56 minutes. That's pretty fast.
Okay, fact number 6. Jupiter's atmosphere is 40 miles thick. Since it's such a big planet,
Who's ready for some bonus facts?
Ooh, I'm making friction.
Jupiter has the biggest storm in the solar system. It's the Great Red Spot. It's that big eye that you see coming across Jupiter. Soon it'll come back. 3 Earths could fit in that storm.
Okay.
Would it be crazy to be in that storm? Just bring a
Hey,
umbrella.
pause it.
The Greeks called Jupiter Zeus, but the Romans called Jupiter Jupiter. Which means the king of the gods. Hello, I'm Zeus.
Jupiter has an iron core.
Scientists think Jupiter have an iron core, but scientists don't know yet. When they try and launch spacecrafts to see, the atmosphere just burns the spacecraft into a crisp. That doesn't mean we can live on Jupiter.
Jupiter's 4 biggest moons are Europa, Ganymede, Callista, and Io. Sometimes I mistake Io as Iowa.
They're like so huge. The biggest, which are Ganymede, are even bigger than Mercury. Wow, what stuff in Jupiter are really massive. Still discovering new moons. That means the number 79 moons are still going up in counting. So maybe you might discover a new moon of Jupiter. I don't know. The world is always curious. If you discovered a moon, what would you call it?
I would call it Calvin Lantis.
I would call it Derek and cottage cheese because cottage cheese is my favorite food. Do you like cottage cheese?
I like yogurt.
Jupiter is made out of the same stuff as the sun, just packed smaller. Jupiter is made out of hydrogen and helium and a tiny bit of other elements. Same for the sun. There's the sun. That Jupiter is just made out of the same stuff as the sun, just packed smaller. And also, Jupiter don't have enough hydrogen and helium to make a chemical reaction to turn Jupiter into a star. Otherwise, if that happened in real life, Earth would be in big trouble. Did you know that Earth loves Jupiter because that Jupiter protects Earth from asteroids that are about to come near Earth? That's crazy.
I bet you didn't know that.
Since Jupiter is so big and massive and have a strong gravity, then the asteroids, then it would pull asteroids that would normally hit Earth. So good thing we have a protective Jupiter on our side. Who's ready to see what happens if Jupiter were the size of the sun? Okay, I'll get this going. Okay, now it started a nuclear reaction. Wow! Wow! Okay, now Jupiter is a star. Hooray! Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Now we're gonna see what happens if Jupiter became the size of the sun, and then we'll see what happens in the solar system. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. How stuff is moving. There we go. Look. Okay. Anyway,
the sun's getting...
Oh my goodness, the asteroid belt is like crashing into it. Bam, 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 bam. Look at all the stuff that is happening. Look at all the commotion is going on. The asteroids in the asteroid belt is being pulled towards Jupiter, and the sun is already going to crash into this planet. It looks like that Saturn is also in a crash course to make it. For stars to binary each other, it's just like orbit
their
cover. Yeah, that's what
and
binary.
sometimes they collide.
So look at all the commotion happening.
Whoa! Mercury is really close.
So look at all the stuff even happening. Look, even the star is just right there. How far is it from the sun anyway? But I have no idea.
Oh, it's pulling the sun.
I wonder if they're gonna be like a binary system soon. Look, everything is like going like
That's
crazy.
referring to Hercules.
Earth almost just crashed into Jupiter. That's so crazy.
But I think Earth is being ejected.
Or maybe Earth is still orbiting.
Nope.
Wow. Earth is like speeding fast.
532 Hercules has been ejected. And
See?
Ceres and Hydra and Vesta.
Oh, it sounds like Mars is in a crash course for Neptune, I think. Look at all the debris it's making. Or those asteroids. I can't tell. Lots of stuff is being thrown out.
Yeah, Jupiter might even get thrown out.
There's stars that are orbiting each other. Look, Mercury is just fine. Let's hope they don't collide. I think they're not gonna collide. I think they're just gonna stay like this forever. I guess now it's gonna be a stable system now. Just so 2 stars and Mercury. Jupiter
Messed with the solar system.
like crazy. And then the Earth gotten thrown out. Isn't that amazing?
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.
Pretty please subscribe, or I'll tell your mother.